Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G32 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on backup. And as you can see, we will be immediately transferred to this Google account section, Google One. Of course, if you've got your Google account added to the device, you will be able to simply pick it from the list. If not, you will have to add it. So let's tap on Add Account and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. And from this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it. And just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the add symbol, because as you can see after tapping on next, your device will autofill it. Alright, so right now we can enter the password and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Alright, here we've got the information about the backing up the contacts. I don't want to do it right now. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here we've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading, of course. And here we've got the shortcut, the information about the backup, so your device will back up the data to the Google One. You're able to use 15 gigabytes of the Google account to back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, if you want to, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically, of course, will store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on Turn On to finish. And as you can see, we'll be transferred to this kind of backup section again, because here we can check our storage, so how much space we've got left or how much space we've got used. Of course, you can manage it, so you can remove some kind of unnecessarily files. Here under it we've got the backup details, so you can check what has already been backed up. And here we've got the advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off, because thanks to this you can avoid some charges which may apply whenever you will reach the limit of the mobile data, etc. So I highly recommend to be aware about that. And basically, to finish the whole backup, simply tap on backup now, and right now your device will back up the data. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.